I just ordered my daughter a Talaria. What am I thinking? The Talaria came in the mail. She's gonna be psyched. Here it is. Slightly different box than the Sting R comes in. Fragile. I'm not gonna do any fancy unboxing on this one. I'm not even gonna take it off the fork truck. I'm just gonna open it now. Uh-oh, 16 years and older. This is her 13th present. Oopsies. All right, this one's going together pretty quick because I've already done this before. So let's get the handlebars mounted and then we can undo the straps and get the front wheel put on and be good to go. All right, I got the front wheel on. Now I'm gonna put the foot pegs on. I got them lightly on there and I have to tighten them down. I have to tighten down the headset, tighten down the handlebars, line everything up and tighten down the throttle. Then we can get the battery on charge. So apparently her bike came with the silver pegs. A lot of people complain about this. The bike is completely blacked out and then they give you these silver pegs. But my MX4 came with the black pegs. Kind of weird. All right, just took the cover off and cut the brown wire to make it fun. Battery looks like it's 74%, so let's give it a quick test ride and then we can throw it on charge. All right, we just plugged the bike in for the first time and the fan on the charger kicked on. So everything's good to go. Oh, I forgot to put the fender on, duh. Last time I forgot to put the foot pegs on. I jumped on my bike to go for a ride and I had nowhere to put my feet. It's always something. Here's the new Talaria MX3 that I got for A for her birthday. Look at that, guys. 0 miles. Not even 1 mile on it yet. Just drove it around the parking lot for half a second. Put the thing together. Thing's ready to rock and roll. What is this? Do you have a new bike?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
It's so heavy she can't even move it on her own. It's too heavy for her. And my dogs are jealous. They want in on the action.
Word.
All right, well, I'll help you get it out. Just this one time. You gotta learn to do it on your own.
Okay.
There we go. We got 2 Talarias now. We're gonna be riding in style.
I'm not 16.
I know. I know.
That's 3 more years.
You got 3 more years to go. We're riding illegally, guys. Don't tell anybody. All right, we got the Talarias out on the first ride. Is it nice?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's scary though, turning. I'm scared of turning.
You're scared of turning? Why? Because the tires are knobby, or?
No, it's just like, I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna drop it. My seat's better than your seat though.
Your seat's better than my seat? I got my new eBay seat in the mail. It's in my truck and it looks awesome, guys. I definitely already know it's gonna be way better than this Luna Gator seat. I'm gonna put it on soon. I'm gonna do a review and I think it's gonna be a winner, man. It was expensive, but it is gonna be awesome. It's gonna be good for my big butt. Look at these things. They look exactly the same. Yeah, yours is more comfortable than mine.
Yeah, I like it.
This seat I got on here is trash. Nobody get the Luna Gator seat. The stock seat is so much nicer. The stock seat is actually comfortable. This one is just like cheaper material, less padding, even worse than the stock seat.
7 miles.
7 miles. What are you at?
81.
81%. I'm at 45% and I have 310 miles, so I have to.
Having the porn.
Yeah, you have a horn now. You have a speedometer. You have regeneration. You have nice brakes.
Yeah, it's nice having brakes.
It's nice having brakes, huh?
Not used to this.
So hers came with the silver pegs. It's kind of weird. Mine came with the black pegs.
It's better though, because I can tell them apart.
Yeah, now you can tell them apart. She's got silver pegs,
We would've told them apart.
and hers is cleaner than mine. My tire, after only 300 miles, is already worn quite a bit. She's got that little nub in the middle, and mine is already completely gone. That's crazy.
That's how much you know we ride.
Yeah, that's what happens when you ride dirt tires on the street. They just wear out to nothing. But we got 2 brand new Talarias here. What does mine say? My badge says 7/2023, and yours
I
says
have no idea.
4/2024. So yours is newer than mine now. Your bike's almost brand new. She's peeling the sticker off right now. Oh yeah, it's official. It's official. You own it now.
I took this sticker off.
Yep, and you still got the sticker on your screen too. You see that?
I'm gonna leave it there.
And she's gonna peel off the 16 or older sticker.
I look 16 anyways.
Oh, that's it. It's official. You can ride it now. It's now legal. Oh, look at that. It's brand
You have
new.
yours on still.
I still have mine on. Look at that. My bike's newer than yours now.
Shut up.
Look at that. Hers though, it says Talaria Sting in this writing, and mine says it in like cursive. That's kind of weird.
I love these. It feels so much.
Yeah, aren't the grips super comfortable? They're like spiky, but they're so
But it
comfy.
feels good because
Yeah.
it grips onto you.
We got 2 new Talarias. We are the best. We're styling over here. You GPSing the directions?
What? No. I know these roads by head.
By what?
By head. By brain.
By brain.
By head.
Usually
by
people
head.
say I know these roads by heart. You say I know these roads by head, she says.
By head.
What a clown.
Go on music.
All right, I forgot to charge my bike like an idiot, so it is at 319 miles and it is blinking at 15%. But it's a beautiful day out. It's probably maybe 7 o'clock. And we are out ripping the new Talarias. Anna's down there on her bike, on the swings. And I just hit the trails. I just came out on the trail here. And I don't have much riding left to do till my battery is dead, so I might as well stop and take a quick little video. And man, is it beautiful today. Nice and cool. You're not sweating. Feel like that heat is finally over with. And now we just got beautiful weather for the next month or so. And it's really the perfect time to go e-biking. Can't wait to put on my new eBay seat. The thing is mint, man. It reminds me of like a KLR 110 seat or something like that, or like a KLX 110 seat. It's got tons of cushion, and it has like a dirt bike look to it with like the stitching going down it. Can't wait to show it to you. It was really expensive. It was like $150 on eBay straight from China, and it looks like it's going to be a bolt-on, and it's going to add probably an inch or two to the height of the bike, make the thing look way better. And it'll help my butt, man. This Luna Gator seat is not comfortable at all. I can't stress that enough. It has less padding than the stock seat, and it looks worse than the stock seat. Hello.
Hi. I just got questions.
What, because you got a sweet new bike? They're like, did you steal that thing?
No, they just asked me like what it is.
What'd you tell them?
Electric bike.
That's it. It's called a Talaria. Says it right there. You can't read? You can't read? It says Talaria. Oh, it says 16 miles overall. But for some reason, when she shuts off her bike, her mileage resets. And mine doesn't reset.
Might just be the new.
Hers goes to 0 miles. Mine stays at the odometer. That's really weird. Oh well.
Just never know.
Well, I guess when you shut it off, it resets. But you can check by holding down that button right there, and it'll tell you the mileage.